Hi Draw Stick Kitties! Today we're going to draw a winter chocolate cake. So let's get started. To draw this yummy little cake, we're going to first start by drawing the top of the cake. So I'm just going to come about right here and draw a big curve across. So just a nice little mound for the top of our cake. And I'm going to stop about right there. If you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve. But because I have these decorations right on top of the cake, I'm going to leave the spot open. But I'm just going to imagine it going, continuing. So about right here, I'll just start again. So we basically just want a little curve that comes around. And then from there, you can bring this curve down. And we're going to start to draw the drizzle part. So right there, I'm going to start about the same level on both sides. And then I'm going to start to drizzle. So I'm just going to go up and down. So all up to you, how you want to drizzle your little cake. So right there, maybe a big one that comes down a little bit more. And back up. So we're all kind of aiming for it to come back at the same area, same level. So go back and one more. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the body of our cake. So I'm going to come in this area right here, come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw a soft curve that comes around on both sides. So it's just a small little cake. And we're going to connect it for our base of our cake all the way across. There. Okay, so then now let's go back up and draw this decoration, which is basically kind of like holly berries. And so right here, I'm going to start about right here. I'm just going to draw our first one. It's just kind of like a candy berry. So it's just going to be a big curve. And then at the bottom, I'm just going to flatten it out a little bit. So same thing here. I'm just going to add another one right next to it. And once again, just flatten it at the bottom because it's sitting right on our cake. And I'm just going to add another mound right in the back. Then let's add some leaves right here. So I'm going to come right next to this berry and just draw one leaf. Give it some color. You can come in here and add some details to our leaf. And let's add one more. So that's why we had to leave that space open. There. Now we can close up our curve. So definitely draw that curve first. Makes it a little bit easier if you're using a pencil. Okay, so there. Now our cake is done, so let's bring it to life. So I'm going to come down here if you want to bring it to life and make it extra cute. Just add a circle right here for some Draw Stick cute eyes. And another one right here. So let's make them Draw Stick cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Same thing on this side. So I hope you guys have been enjoying all my new Christmas drawings this year. I always look forward to this time of the year because there's just so much cuteness to draw for you. So make sure to check out my Christmas, winter, holiday playlist. Okay, so if the eye's in, let's come back up here and we're just going to draw a soft curve on top of each eye. And in between the eyes, let's draw a cute, sweet little smile and cap it off. You can add cheeks in there when you're coloring it. So there, that's pretty much it for our winter chocolate cake. Hope you think it looks really delicious and super cute. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.